Today I want to talk about this DEWALT angled nail gun that is 16 gauge. And let me tell you what, I waited too long to purchase this. I had a tongue and groove job on a ceiling that I was just finishing up. And I said, before doing that job, let me get a battery operated nail gun. So that way it's going to make things a lot easier. I've been using a compressor for far too long. The unit itself is fairly lightweight. I would say anywhere between maybe 3 to 5 pounds. The battery is not heavy at all, but it has enough power once you put it on that I basically don't have to charge it as I'm going. And I've probably shot over 1,000 or 1,500 nails so far, and it didn't deplete, which is impressive. The handle fits my hand perfectly. You do have a lock for the trigger, so that way it's not going to automatically go up. There is a safety up front. Once you push it in, you're going to hear it ignite, and then you can use it. There's an option that you could shoot one or multiple nails at once. Let's go to one. All you have to do is just push it in and then hit it. And then now you can see it's a clean shot every time, and you could adjust the depth of how far you want the nail to go in. Lastly, there's a massive hook here, so that way if you are on a ladder up in the air and you need both hands, it will be right there at your side, ready for when you need it. Reloading is as simple as just pulling down and then putting another 1 or 2 strips in. This goes up to 2.5 inch finish nails that are angled. I've been using the 2.5 on my tongue and groove ceiling, and it works flawlessly. I've never even had one that got stuck yet, which was very impressive. So if you are somebody that is in the market for a new tool, go out and grab this one today. You're not going to be disappointed. I can't wait to do more projects with this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.